Hi everyone and welcome to the Code Cutters. Today we are going to unbox a product known as Amazon Fire TV Stick HD. Now this is a game-changing product, especially if you don't have a smart TV. But in this video we will unbox it and we will see that how we are going to set it up with our TV. You also get a booklet where all the things how to set it up and how you can connect it with your TV. Everything is given in that booklet. Now we are at my TV, and from there you have to go to inputs. In inputs you have to select HDMI. So I have connected my Fire TV stick to HDMI 1, so I have selected one. If you have put your device into another HDMI cable, then you have to select another HDMI port. Now we have to press and hold the home button for at least 10 seconds to get our remote connected with the Fire TV device. Now you have to just press play and pause button and you are there. So select your language, and now you can either scan the QR code and set up your Fire TV remote with the app, or you can just connect it with your remote. Here you have to connect. Now you have to connect your Wi-Fi to your Fire TV stick. Here you have to you have to put down select the Wi-Fi that you want to put it, and then you have to enter the Wi-Fi password and then click on connect button. So now it's connecting, and within a moment it will start. It will just end up connected. It will just take around 1 to 2 minutes. See, now it's already connection is done. And now what we can do, we have to just wait for some time, and Fire TV stick will check for the updates, and if there is any update available, it will just install the updates, and then your Fire TV device will boot it up. So right now it's saying 80% is done and only less than 1 minute is remaining. So we just have to wait for a few minutes. See, now the Fire TV device has already been updated. So we have to click on next and then move forward. You have to select your Amazon account. So if you already have an Amazon account, then you can sign in using your own Amazon account. If you don't have, you can create your first account here. So right now, if you already have an account, go to amazon.in/code, and then you can enter this code that is given on the screen. And once you will enter that code into your mobile device, being shown in the screen, you can just enter the code, hit the continue button, and your Fire TV stick will sign in. The Amazon accounts will get signed in here on the Fire TV device. Now it's already showing that it has been successfully registered. Now you have an option to change your account, or you can just continue using the same account. So I will just click on yes. Now you have the option to just save the Wi-Fi password. If you don't want to save it here, just click on no. So now it's checking for backups. If you have already have installed previously used the Fire TV stick, then it will ask for that. Otherwise this screen will come up where you have to combine your TV remote and Fire TV remote to control the volume buttons. So you can just select yes, and it's done. the device has now been successfully set up. It will just optimize to present a home screen to us. So right now it is saying to just select the available apps that we want to select, while the apps that we can see on the screen when we log into the Fire TV screen. So I am selecting some of the apps that I want in my device. So I have selected whatever is needed for me, and then I will just click on the play and pause button to continue. So now you can just enable parental controls if you want, if you want to enable controls for your children, so that nobody can use your Fire TV to purchase anything online. So you can just set a code up here, and that's all. So right now I don't need it, so I just selected not to go with that, and it's done. We are login. My profile is ready. I can just log in and see how it's shown in the screen. So this is how the screen is visible to you. So once you log into your Amazon Fire TV home screen, this is what you see: the all apps and the settings button at the right end, the gear icon that is available in the right side of the screen. Right now, let's just at least download the YouTube and see is it playing or not, how it's working. So I will just download it here. It will take some of the minutes because previous apps are already downloading. Now you can see that it's downloading. It will take some of the minutes. It has now installed, and now we can open it up. Now you can see, once we have opened the app, you can see that YouTube will ask us to get started. We can add our account. I will just go with use sign out, because I don't want to add any account to it right now. So it's showing that I am not signed in, I'm signed out, but I can just browse the trending videos, shorts, music, everything here. So this is how the screen is visible for YouTube. So I will just exit YouTube, and this is how you can all set it up. This is how you can set up your Fire TV stick device with your smart TV. So that's all. If you loved this video, just like the video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and let's join in next video with another topic on Fire TV stick.